Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for stopping by. My name is Vera and today I have something special to share with you guys. I have termed this video Lazy Skincare Remedy, DIY remedy for my girls who have been given excuses why they have not been taking care of their skin. So I have noticed that most people, when you ask them, they say, oh, I don't have time because of my kids. Some will say, oh, I don't have time for DIYs because I work so much. So I decided in this video to put together not one, not two, but three DIY easy. That's why I said lazy, because no matter how lazy you are, or no matter how busy you are, or whatever the reason is, you can definitely do this DIY remedy. So the three of them, whichever one that you decide to do is perfect. It's gonna get rid of your blemishes, pimples, black spots on your face, and leave your face smooth, spotless, and youthful. Guys, why I love this remedy is because I feel like the ingredients, almost everybody have them at home, and even if you don't, it's something that you can run to any local store and grab, and it's very easy. In 2 minutes you're done. So even if it's 5 minutes that you have out of your busy day, you can easily use this skincare remedies and make sure you take care of yourself. Let me tell you, we women, we always take care of everyone but ourselves. I think it should be one of our resolution this 2024 to, just give ourselves some self-love. Like, self-care is self-love, you guys. So these three remedies, I promise you're gonna love, because it's easy and it's very effective. So please stay with me. And before we continue, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcomed. And if you have been watching my videos or you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You know how we do it here. It's all about love. We do so much about skincare, beauty, hair care, vlogs, just a little bit of everything. So please, in case you've not already subscribed, please go ahead now and subscribe, and remember to turn your notification on so you get notified. And not just that, please like this video, comment, and share to your friends, because every lady needs to watch this video. And thank you again for all of your love and support. So without wasting your time, let's go ahead and make this remedies, and I will show you how to use them and what else. Yeah, let's go. So this first remedy, I really want you guys to try it. We're gonna make it with turmeric. Who doesn't know how good turmeric is on the skin? It is so good for your skin, and because we're making for our face, we're just gonna use a little quantity. The next thing that we're going to mix with it is just our raw honey. Okay, raw honey. I'm telling you that these two combos, you are gonna thank me later. This is all you need. This is it. You see what I say is lazy, like you don't need to waste any time. As you can see, hold on. Okay guys, so this is what you're gonna get once you mix it. I like it to be thick like this. Don't you ever underestimate the power of turmeric, because I know what you're thinking now, like, oh, turmeric. See, turmeric and honey mixed together, they are powerful. Just put this on your skin like this. You can use a brush or you can use your finger. I'm not gonna do this all over my face because I still have my clothes on. This is best to be done when you're about to shower, because if this makes mistake and touch your clothes, that clothes is gone. So just do this all over your face, okay, and then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 good 15 minutes. Okay, maybe you're cooking in the kitchen, you can put this on and continue with your cooking. When you're done, you go ahead and shower. Come back and thank me. Come back and thank me, okay? Okay, let's go to the second one and the third one. Those ones I'll do together. So for the second and the third remedies, we're going to be needing an aloe vera. Whenever I make any video with an aloe vera, I usually do this part a day before, like a night before. I cut my aloe vera and wash them, like make sure I cut the two sides off like you see in the video, and then I wash them thoroughly. Reason why I do that is because there's this acid or whatever they say, it is poison, whatever, that you need to make sure they are out if you want to use an aloe vera, especially on your skin. So what I do is when I'm done, I keep them straight like this in a bowl and leave them overnight. So the next day when I wake up, the yellowish poison will be out, and then I'll wash them again. But let me tell you, this one is so clean, there's nothing, not even tiny of it. I bought this from Walmart, in case you're wondering. The aloe vera is always so good. So what I do is cut into two and then take the slimy part, that's the one that we need, and then throw the the peels. Yeah, make sure to scoop because we hate wasting stuff here. So I put them in my blender. When I'm done scooping all of it, I then go ahead and blend it. When I'm done blending, guys, the next thing that you're going to need is a sieve. Make sure to sieve it, especially if you're going to use it in your hair, because you don't want the streaks to get stuck in your hair. So now I go ahead and sieve it and then set it aside. Moving on to the third one, I really want to apologize. I don't know what happened to my camera when I was filming. I saw that after filming. But what I was doing here is cutting a potato. We're gonna need it for this third remedy. When you're done peeling the back, go ahead and wash it thoroughly, and then cut it in pieces and put in a blender to blend them. Now, instead of using water to blend this potato, go ahead and get the aloe vera you were sieving, the one was set aside, and add the ones that still left in your sieve. Remember when I told you we don't waste things? If you've been watching my videos, you know that. So because that's not enough, just add a little more aloe vera to it, and then go ahead and blend it. Guys, this blender stressed me. Even after adding more aloe vera to it, it just wouldn't blend it like I wanted to. So what I did was, thank God I have another blender, so I transferred it to another one and blended it again and got what I wanted. So yeah, this is me pouring everything in the small plate, and then I added honey to it. When you add the honey, go ahead and stir it. So now we're gonna bring back everything, the aloe vera, the one that's sieved, and the potato that we just mixed, and then get you your ice cube tray and pour them in it just like I'm doing. Then go ahead and put in your freezer. Easy, right? So when you take it out, as you can see, this one is the aloe vera. You can do this at night and even in the morning. Just go ahead. Oh my god, like this feels so good. Like just go ahead and rub it all over again. You can do this when you're about to shower or something, because it might stain your clothes. So just go ahead and rub this under your eye, like go this way, and then on your face, like everywhere, and then leave it also for 15 minutes. Like this feels so good on the skin, especially during summer. This is going to be your best remedy. But then if this is the one they're using, it's still the same thing as the eyes. Just go ahead and put it on your skin just like that. Feels so good. So go ahead and put it. You see what I'm trying to avoid? I don't want this turmeric to touch my clothes. So when you are done with either of them, just leave it on your face for 10 to 15 minutes, and then go ahead and wash it off. You are gonna feel so good. Let me tell you, sometimes you can even do the turmeric first. When you wash it off, then go ahead and do the eyes. I promise you, the eyes will make you feel so good. then put the eyes, and then use your cleanser and wash off your face. Then go ahead and put your night cream, or if it's in the morning, your morning face cream, and off you go. Okay guys, please remember to leave me a comment, especially when you try these RemeDIES. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please go ahead now and subscribe if you have not. Like, comment, and share this video, and please turn your notification on so you know when I post new videos. I will see you guys in my next video, but don't forget to please always show kindness wherever you find yourself, because we all need it. The world needs it now. All right, take care, and I will see you guys soon.